So we're going to be adding pictures now into our websites because we've controlled how it looks using our cascading style sheets, and we've actually added in some information on whatever our website is about. So the next step is adding a picture. So the first thing you want to do is you'll want to highlight this box and make sure you're on the Raspberry Pi page titled Adding Pictures, which is in the Birdwatch 1 website tutorial. So we're just going to copy that. So right click, copy, and we're going to paste that into where our body is, so between the body tags. So what I'll do is I'll paste it just below the main section here, so just above the one that says podcasting. So I'll paste that in, and we see that this tag has three elements. It has the name of the file, the text that appears when the file is loading, and of course the width, which is measured in pixels and is the size of the image. So the first thing we want to do is, obviously my website's about podcasting, it's not about barn owls, so I need to find an image to replace it. So I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to type in podcasting. I'm going to look for an image that suits my needs. So I'm going to pick this image here. Now the first thing I want to do is I'm going to click on the image, get the largest version possible to ensure the best quality, and then I'm going to right click Save Image As. Now if I don't have the option of a JPEG, the other way that we can work around this is really simple. We just select the snipping tool, which you can get access to via clicking Windows and typing in snipping tool. I'm going to click New, and I'm going to highlight the image that I want in my project. I'm then going to click the Save icon, and this is where it's really important. We're going to save it to our documents, and we're going to rename the file something really simple with no spaces. So podcast 2. Notice how there are no spaces. Ensure that you're saving it as a JPEG file, so JPG. So I'm going to click Save, and now we're going to upload that image to our Trinket. So you do this by clicking on Manage Images, the plus icon in the library, Upload New Image, and then what I want you to do is go click to select images. We're going to go to the documents now. We're going to find podcast 2, which we just saved, and we're going to click Open. It will give us a tick knowing that it's successfully uploaded, and now we're going to click Done. So I now have an image called podcast2.jpg. So I'm going to go back to where it says index.html, and I'm going to change barn owl to same name as the file that I just named podcast2. I'm also going to change the alternative to podcast article. And because I think that image is quite small, I'm going to make it a little bigger. So I'm going to go 500 pixels, which will make it a little bit larger, maybe a little less. We'll go 450. And that is how you add an image into your Trinket.